at it. Oh, come on, focus. Baby! Fuck!
Sorry.
Fuck!
I didn't know you were filming. So, shut up, woman, I'm filming.
Shut up, woman. Woman, I'm filming. Oh, lighting is really bad.
Yeah. Lighting is bad, but my shotgun mullet's good.
Gonna go into one of the fails.
So I'm okay.
Oh, they're gonna be so jealous. They'll be so jealous. So jealous.
Good job.
Ow! You know, I had to try to get like a nice photo of the new livery.
Bam!
Good. I was recording. Cool. Rapid setting room. Wait, what? It's you. I can see it with the naked eye, but just can't see it on the screen.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I hate that.
It's so annoying.
Yeah. Ah, got it. It's close-ish. Oh, you see it anyway.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, well, it's home spotting. That's what you get in the backyard. Just inside.
Is that the doors are open and
Why do you turn the television down? Lady.
I was trying to be nice, dumbass.
Oh, it's just Air New Zealand A320. No one cares.
highly educated and highly employable. They've got to get a job offer. So make it easy? No.
Stupid cloud. Yeah. Recording.
Okay.
No ass touching.
But I like your ass.
What is it that you want?
Can I go past? Are you done?
Yeah.
Look, my lunch. I'm fucking hungry.
Fuckity fuck fuck. Shh. Okay, Phil. Well, how about focus?